Hello everyone, I'm Shantae from PlayingMindfully.com, and today I'm going to show you how to add images to your digital planners using the Xodo app. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, I have the Xodo app already open on my computer, and all you have to do is double tap on that, the name of the digital planner that you want to open, and then we're going to put this in full screen mode. And the way you do that is there's this icon that has looks like a magnifying glass on it, but it's the settings for the particular planner that you're looking at. So then you just want to open that in full screen mode by tapping on full screen, and now that opens it up in full screen. So you can also still pinch and zoom if you need to as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick a page and we're going to add images to it. And adding images using Xodo is really easy. So let's tap on the week at a glance. And then now that we're here, we're going to fill up our page with a few items. So first, I like to start with the inspirational quote. So to add an image, which I already have one as an image here, I actually have a sticker pack that you can download. But I'm going to go to first put this in edit mode. So that's that little pen, looks like it's over a piece of paper. So you tap on that. That puts this planner into edit mode. Then from there, we're going to add an image. So now we tap on the image icon, and then we're going to tap here where it says inspirational quote, because we're going to start with that. And then you tap this icon right here that shows you that you're about to enter an image off of your computer. So we're going to tap on this, and that's going to open up where we can actually insert an image from our picture pack. So I have these available, and I have all different types of images in here. So we're going to go to the quote, and I call this the code. And this says, the journey begins when you take the first step. Courage, optimism, determination, and enthusiasm are the tools that will help you along the way. And I made that quote. Actually, I love that quote. I live by it. It actually just makes so much sense to me. So there is the quote, and now we've placed it there on the inspirational quote. That's what we're going to use for the week. All right, and then now let's add the main focus for the week. So let's do the same thing. We're going to tap on the image icon, and then we're going to tap there under main focus for this week. We're going to tap the image icon that allows us to import a graphic off of our computer or off of our tablet. And the main focus for this week is going to be, let's make it our website. We're going to do some work on PlayingMindfully.com. So the main focus for this week is to work on the website, and that includes a number of things. I'm also going to add, because I'm all about mindfulness, I'm going to add something about mindfulness just to remind me, because it's easy to get caught up when you're doing a lot of work and forget about what you're supposed to be doing for yourself. So let's add another image. We're going to tap on that again, tap there, and then we're going to insert another image from our tablet. And let's see here, mindfulness. I like this. Let's tap on mindfulness. Now we have that right here, and we're going to make sure that's included. It's part of our focus. Now, what I'm going to do is make this image, because it's kind of touching and it's kind of moving my word mindfulness outside of the area where I want it to be. So I'm going to make the computer graphic a little smaller. And if you notice, I just tapped on it, and then it brought up these 4 dots that are around it, which allows us to select it. So I'm going to select it, make it a little smaller, and that way I can move mindfulness over by tapping on it and dragging it with my finger. Now, something I want to show you is that if you notice, when you tap on an image, it brings up like a sub menu. So if you tap on that, for example, there's different objects or items that come up, or options, I should say. So the first one, the check mark, just says you're done with it, and then you want to move on to something else. The other image that has the down arrow pointing with the pieces of paper, what that does is it makes it so that you actually flatten that image to your PDF document. If you do that, you will not be able to move it. So I don't recommend doing that unless you're actually done with placing the graphic on there. The other one is a rotating image. So you can just hit the rotate, and it just rotates it around. The other one actually allows you to make a copy. So if I wanted to copy it, then I could copy it by tapping on that. The one next to that is actually duplicating. So I could I could tap on the icon and that duplicates it. And now I have mindfulness twice. And say if I wanted to make sure I put that over here, then I have mindfulness right there and also in the first spot where I put it. So now we have our inspirational quotes. We have our main focus for the week, which includes mindfulness. And then we also have the computer that shows we're going to do some computer work and actually work on the website. So we're done with that part. Now let's add another graphic and let's see. Let's start with Sunday. Same thing. You tap on that icon. You tap on Sunday. We're going to tap on the image that allows us to pull a graphic off of our tablet. And for Sunday, let's make Sunday a relaxing day. So we're going to tap on the candle and bring that in for Sunday. Again, I'm into self-care and mindfulness and mental well-being because it's very important. And then also with that, let's add something else. Let's add another image. And let's see what else along those lines I'd like to add. Oh, me time. That's cute. I like that. Let's put that in there as well. So now we have me time on Sunday with a candle. See? Okay, and then now for Monday, time to get busy, right? So we can add more things. So let's say if we have a meeting on Monday, and this is just a week at a glance. This is not really detailed because on the Monday page is where you'd add more details. This is just something to kind of get us focused for each day. So again, we're going to add an image. And for Monday, let's look at the blog. So we have two images for blog. I have either the word blogging or I have blog. So let's do the word blogging. It's kind of cute. And we just put that right there for Monday. So blogging may be jotting down some ideas, doing some brainstorming. It's totally up to you. But Monday, we're going to dedicate to working on the blog. And then let's see, we're going to add another image for Tuesday. Again, you tap on that image again, brings up the images that we have on the computer. And let's look and say we want to work on our social media. So Facebook is definitely something I want to start working on. So now we have Facebook icon. So that means, all right, on Tuesday, let's focus on our social media and let's look at Facebook. And then also with Facebook, since you can actually post with Facebook and Instagram together, let's do this. Let's add the Instagram icon to remind us to do that as well. You might as well, if you're already doing Facebook, go ahead and do Instagram as well. So as you can see, it's really easy to add images to your digital planner. Once you're all done, then you would hit the X button to get out of the menu for editing. It gets it out of edit mode, and then you tap on the save button. Now that saves your changes, and you could just go back to the home page of the book or the cover of the book. If you wanted to go back into the week at a glance, you would just tap on week at a glance. You can add more images. You can write some words on there. You can just get as creative as you like. But the main focus, as I always say, is to make sure that you have mindfulness at the top of your list. So include that with your inspirational quotes or include it with your goals for the week, just to make sure you're incorporating that. And then also take some time for yourself throughout the week. Just make some mental notes like I did here on the digital planner to make sure that you take some time for mindfulness. Thank you for watching and practice mindfulness. And I look forward to seeing you on planmindfully.com.